guys, welcome back. I don't know if I mentioned it the other day, but they added like 20 plugs, so we had to go back and tap off the old plugs. Luckily we didn't have to run any more home runs, but I came out of this box over to this box over to this. No, actually I went from this box to this box, and I don't remember. I can't even think right now, so hold on. Anyways, I jumped from like this one to this one, and I think I went around to that one. This one goes from here up and over the top down to this one, and then these three right here, 1, 2, 3, come off of the one in the hallway right behind there. So this one comes up and over, and then down to this one, and then up and over to this one, and then up and over to, and then it goes down the top right there down to this one. And then after those plugs, I went around back to the switches up here, and someone ran the power, so I made these up. So obviously have the switch leg to the fan itself, and then you have the power one. So for this one, it just has 2 wires. It's just it's gonna be like a 2-pole switch, so it's got like 2 hots and 2 switch legs, because it's a 208 volt, so rephase the white as black. So 2 hots, 2 switch legs. So didn't have to make up any of the blacks in this box, just tied the grounds together. And then over here, this one's got 2 powers and a switch leg. So as you can see, that one starts to come in, that one, and then that's the switch leg for the fan. So it just tied the 2 powers together, the 2 blacks from each other in the MC, and then the 2 whites rephase black tied together. So pigtail the 2 normal blacks together down to 1, and then the 2 whites rephase black tied together down to 1, and then the switch legs are still by themselves. So yeah, so I did those, and then this one as well. I think I did these 3 here, and then the other 2 down the hallway in the other area, if you've seen before. And then the rest of the day just went around nail plating. I don't know where a good area is to show you, but it's kind of dark in here. But so I just went around nail plating, so putting up these nail plates here so they can't screw through where the wood, where it's less than 1.25 inches. Just so no screws go through the wood into the wire. So I went around putting up nail plates for all these bathrooms and over here. So this hallway, or this middle of the building, and then that other third of the building over there. So and back there. So that's probably gonna wrap it up for today. Another nice, fast, and good day. Very thankful for that. I think that's gonna wrap it up here from the building. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Thanks for taking time out of your day to spend time with me and watch the video all the way through. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I just said that. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you got any questions or you just want to chat about something, drop a comment below in the comment section. And got my check today for last week for 35 hours. The job site that I'm working at right now is prevailing wage, so it's about double my normal wage, which is just fantastic. So it's like an extra $700 net for 35 hours. I'm not even working 40 hours, and I got an extra $700 net. So super thankful for that. That's awesome. But this job's probably wrapping up soon, I think. So I mean, you're lucky if you can get like an extra, you're lucky if you can get like 2 to 4 weeks at a prevailing wage job site a year. unless your company does like a lot of prevailing wage. So definitely awesome when you get those opportunities, lots of extra money. So always be looking for that. If you're working in the field or any type of job, I don't know, but if you're in the construction field, look for prevailing wage. Definitely awesome. So super blessed about that, happy about that. So it just means I can save more money. So all right guys, see you guys later, peace out. And I think that's all I have to say. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a good one. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.